If you want to reuse a great looking email without rebuilding it from scratch every time, MailChimp makes that really easy. In this video, I'll show you how to create an email template on MailChimp step by step so you can save your design, organize your campaigns faster, and speed up your future email marketing workflow. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign into your account using your email address and password. After you're logged in, you'll land inside your MailChimp dashboard where all of your marketing tools are in one place. Now look at the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This is where MailChimp keeps your email campaigns, drafts, and sent messages. From here, browse through your list of campaigns and find the one that already has the design you want to save as a template. This is a useful shortcut because instead of starting from zero, you can turn an existing email into a reusable design. When you find the right campaign, click Edit next to it. That opens the campaign overview page. On this screen, you can review the campaign details and make sure you're working with the correct email before moving into the editor. Next, go to the Content section and click Edit Design. This is the part where MailChimp opens the full email editor. You'll now see your complete email layout, including text blocks, images, buttons, and any sections already built into the design. Before you save anything as a template, take a moment to review the layout carefully. This is the perfect time to make final updates so your template is clean and ready for reuse. You might want to update the text, replace images, edit buttons, remove placeholder content, or adjust the layout so it looks exactly the way you want it to appear in future emails. The better you clean it up now, the easier it will be to reuse later. Once your design looks good, head to the top right corner of the editor. Click the drop-down arrow next to Save and Exit. This opens the additional save options inside MailChimp. A lot of users miss this step, but this is where the template saving feature is located. From the drop-down menu, select Save as Template. MailChimp will then open a dialog box asking you to name the template. Choose a clear name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to build multiple templates for newsletters, promotions, welcome emails, or product launches. After typing in your template name, click Save. MailChimp will store your email design as a reusable template so you can access it again whenever you need to create a new campaign. This saves time, keeps your branding consistent, and helps you work much faster in the future. And that's it, you've now created an email template on MailChimp. From here, you can reuse that design, edit it for new campaigns, and build emails much more efficiently. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.